going. 40 miles, 30 to go.
20 miles to go.
10 miles to go. 5 miles to go. Sandy from Motorskids and Coffee. Today is going to be my last day on my trip northbound. I'm actually headed back home. I'm in Central Bridge, New York. I'm going to go through Ithaca, New York, and then down to Maryland. I got a big day of driving. It's going to be all a highway on road because I got to get home. But I'll have to think of some thoughts on, what this trip is all meant, and it'll give me a good chance to kind of wrap everything up in my head. It's pretty cold out, 52 degrees. Once again, even this morning at breakfast, people are like, is that your motorcycle? Is that a Panamerica? First one I've seen. It's like a little celebrity every time I go anywhere. Everyone's just always excited to talk about it, see about it, and just find out all about it and my trip and so forth. Fantastic machine. Here's one thing I'll tell you. I saw a lot of adventure bikes yesterday. I haven't seen one Panamerica on the road. All the adventure bikes I saw yesterday were all GSs and KTMs and so forth, and they all had the big boxes, all on road and beautiful twisty roads that they were on. Great motorcycling. I haven't seen any of the big GSs on any of the dirt roads or trails I've on. I've seen one KTM on one dirt road, for what it's worth. But then again, I haven't seen many adventure bikes that are motorcycles that are on any of the dirt roads I've been on, enduro, small bikes, anything. I started this trip off wondering, can a average or below average ADV rider take the Panamerica on some challenging off-roads and make big adventures on it? The answer to that is yes. Yes, they could. Is it ideal for the tight trails? I think, as I was looking at my footage, I'm going to say it was single track to maybe a little bit wider than single track yesterday. It's not ideal, but it does better than you would think. Would a smaller, like 800, 950, 675, cc motorcycle do better? Probably. Would even smaller enduro do better? Probably even better yet. A little more controllable, but what the Pan Am did was, again, it had that stability, had that traction. I never once had a need for more traction. I never once had the wheel not spin. It was intuitive, and it was great traction control for where I was. I did get to a point on the trail yesterday where I was at such an angle, probably a 45 degree, if not higher, trail, and so loaded with really low traction that the wheel would spin into the ground, and I just couldn't get any more. I didn't want to make a bigger run up. Like I said, I hit my high water mark on my abilities. I didn't take the bike down though on any of the trail riding I did. Pan Am's been great. After the new battery, I've never had an issue. Things have been going really, really smoothly since that new battery. All right, on the way we go. I've talked a lot. We're gonna head down the road, and I'll give you some more of my thoughts for the rest of the day. All right, good morning, everybody. I'm about to head on my ride. Hey, good morning. All right. And let me just show you some of the damage to this pole. Yeah, you can see it just right snapped off. Well, we'll make something better. Didn't quite work well enough for super off-road. Everything's good. Chain's lubed. I just did that this morning. All right. Good deal. Let's get on and go. There we go. Oh Lord. Oh, that was off camera. That would have been bad. Whew. let's head on out. It's a beautiful morning. It's not 15 degrees in upstate New York. Got to get some video of this. The fog was rolling on the hill the whole time. It's receding a little bit, but look at that. I don't know if the GoPro's adjusted. That's pretty. It is foggy, but wow, is it beautiful. It's chilly out. Woo! Cold. Alright, fog cleared up a little bit, and wow, look at these views. You got it overlooked. Heading out from Central Bridge to Ithaca and just enjoying the day. It's, again, super cold out. I have a relative that I'm going to go visit in Ithaca, and I don't know, we'll probably just go out and chill a little bit, and then I'll head down home. But it's going to give me a lot of time to think and figure out what this trip has meant for me, what I've really liked, what the challenges are, and man, it's been a journey. Man, I think I'm gonna be at like 3,500 miles or so by the time I'm done. Really glad that I was able to make it. The Panamerica is a super comfy touring bike, and yeah, it's been fantastic. So I've been using my long stretches of riding to listen to audiobook. I just finished Anne of Green Gables. I know what you're thinking. So the book was written in 1908. It's about a peculiar young girl growing up at the turn of the century, kind of like Little House on the Prairie. It's not a super macho book, but that's okay. Its backdrop is set in Prince Edward Island, and I wanted to listen and to set my frame of mind and see how it compared to what I've seen when I went there, and what it felt like when I was there, and all that kind of stuff. So lots of mind pictures that you read in the book were the same there. Red dirt roads, rural feel, the coastline, and the beautiful countryside. So it was really cool. I liked it. It's not a perfect story, but it's a feel-good story, and totally a good fit with the PI environment. I'm about 100 miles out from Ithaca. It's really peaceful around, and this is really the first time on a trip where I'm thinking about being done. It just doesn't seem real. Anyway, Ithaca's full of hills and waterfalls and gorges. Like, like where paths have been cut from waterfalls and stuff. In fact, there's a slogan where they say Ithaca's gorgeous. Lots of rolling hills, lakes, and old county houses. It's kind of cool. Little neat place. Ithaca is very, very hilly, like I said. There's Cornell University and a Ithaca College. It's really cool. There is a walking street people go to. They call it common. So the common people go to. Pretty cool. Cool little mall. And a fallout shelter, apparently. And one of the best vegetarian restaurants called Moosewood over there. It's one of the top rated vegetarian restaurants. Alright, let's go get a little breakfast, shall we? Here I am. Right here. There we go. Utilize that motorcycle park. Cool. Perfect. Let's go get some food. All right, I'm filling up gas, premium gas. All right, 151.8. Let's call. Divided by 3.451. Divided by 3.451 equals 43. So didn't quite get the 50. Not even close. But I'll take it. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's a little warm out today. I ditched one of my layers, my heated layer, because now it's 88. But 10 degrees, 20 degrees warmer than when I first started. So I'm a little warm. Alright, off we go. By Ithaca. We got Pennsylvania and Maryland. That's it. Pennsylvania, Maryland to go. Well, and, you know, the whole, you know, northern upstate New York area. Well, 150 miles to go. Slowly ticking down. Gotta get one more gas somewhere. Alright, so last fill up 181.7. 181.7 divided by 3.873. 3.873. I bet I'm gonna get 43. 47 miles a gallon. Alright, my last one's 47 miles a gallon, and I've been rocking on the speed. Right in line with what I've been getting, which is pretty awesome. And we're gonna rock out of here. Last fill up. Let's go. 50 miles to go in Maryland. 40 miles. 30 to go. 20 miles to go. 10 miles to go, ladies and gentlemen. 5 miles to go. Alright guys, I'm about a mile from my house. It's pretty awesome. I made it. I finished. This journey is done. I'm exhausted. I'm going to go home and crash. Thank you for coming along with me. I'm going to get a full wrap-up review when I do a full video just to wrap up the entire trip. But in the meantime, thanks for coming along. Thanks for the journey. This Panamerica has been great. I can't wait to tell you all about it and all my thoughts. So watch this next video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episode.